Hello and welcome back to Baking by Leah. This week I'm going to be making ragu. I'm going to put my saucepan onto a medium heat. I'm going to add some extra virgin olive oil. And now I'm going to add my diced pork. And I'm going to fry them until they go brown. Now that it has started to brown slightly, I'm going to remove it from the saucepan. With the remaining oil in the saucepan, I'm now going to add in my onion and fry it until it turns brown. Now that my onion has started to brown, I'm going to add in my carrot and celery. I fried my carrot and celery for 2 minutes. I'm now going to add in my bacon lardons. I'm now going to add 1 glass of red wine and make sure that I reduce it down. I'm now going to add in my passata, a dessert spoon of puree to thicken, and a tablespoon of sun-dried tomato for flavour. I'm now going to add 1 beef stock cube, I'm using a beef stock cube as I am cooking with pork. You can also add a beef stock cube if you're going to use beef. And you can also make this dish using chicken, but instead of adding a beef stock cube, you can add a chicken stock cube. Now that I have made my sauce, I'm going to add my pork back in. I am now going to put my pasta on. I am going to be using rigatoni, and 10 minutes before I serve while the pasta is cooking, I'm going to add a teaspoon of fennel seeds. I have also added a 1/3 cup of water so that it doesn't dry out while I'm waiting for my pasta to cook. Thank you for watching this week's YouTube video. I hope you enjoyed it.